wide is low.
Shot, dude. We got Josh Mcguire in the house today. This dude's coming in with his pro car. We're gonna do a little feature on him. Josh!
Yo, what's up?
What's up, dude? Good morning.
Good morning. It's chilly up here.
Woo! Oh yeah, he's from down south, of course, where it's much warmer. Palm trees. No palm trees out here, Josh.
No. Is your palm tree a cactus?
It's a dead cactus right now.
Right now.
Yeah, dude. Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to say what's up. In this episode, we're wrapping Josh's car. We're putting a graphics kit on it. Josh came to 144 Sprint House Monday morning, bright and early.
Yes, sir.
We're out here. Let's check his car out.
Yeah, it looks like origin. It looks good from a little ways away.
I'm gonna follow Josh.
It's like the old turbo days.
Right.
Oh!
Tito, chop this and make it look good. Oh, dude, I found a quarter.
That's my donation from Coda.
Oh, yeah?
Someone
tipped you a quarter? Alright, Josh, hit us with some just facts, like what motor is this, what over fenders, what wheels, what tires, like this is quick facts.
Okay. So motor is a RHS block 427 cubic inch with the Vortec. These are like half and half. Brody Global made these fenders to actually fit like the A pillar right here. Most conversion fenders, like the door gap and everything, super off, and he was like, he wanted it to, you know what I mean, look.
Well, and because this is an S14, but it looks like an S15.
I'm not sure what 14.95 or something.
That's what I was just saying. I was trying to figure it out. S14.15, S14.5, S15.4, whatever you want to call it. So what chassis is this?
This is a S15. Wait,
You thinking?
it's not?
So this is a S14.
Okay. Oh.
And it has a.
It looks like S15.
It has S15 like conversion overs and front fenders.
Yeah, same with like the rear. He made those, so those are custom, kind of his own mold, which is rad, but sucks too. If I break anything, I'm like, yo, Brody, let me get another set.
Yeah, these are one-off.
Yeah,
Dude, look at these.
The waiting time is crazy.
These are so sick though. So it's like a 15 rear over on a 14. New wheel package?
Yeah, so we're on Kansai this year, so 18s all the way around, 9.5s. So just different tire, keep it square,
Nice.
Get a little more meat on the rear. It's gonna pop with everything else.
Well, yeah, we're excited to toss some graphics on for Josh. What's your next event? Fuel Fest, right?
So I'm trying to hit Fuel Fest. Yeah, if everything can line up.
Then we get to line up.
Yeah, for real.
Well, thanks for coming through, Josh.
Yeah.
Just wanted to do a little
Awesome.
breakdown.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, for
This
sure.
is gonna
dude.
be rad.
Yeah, Adrian's gonna kill it, man. He always does. All right, next thing on the list of this morning's to-dos would be Old Blue. So this is my original drift chassis that I started drifting in. This was built by Customs Unlimited in Garland, Texas. This went to Englishtown, New Jersey, where I basically had the first moment in my career where I realized I needed to drift and I had to drift. So this car has been many places and basically kickstarted my career. Now look, she's not in the best condition, you know what I'm saying? Everyone lets himself go a little bit, right? But we're gonna save her. So she's gonna go to Josh. Josh is gonna media blast and paint for us. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car, but I damn sure I'm not gonna leave it in this condition. I don't really have any plans to rebuild it. I'm trying to keep it as like authentic as I can with the old, super bulky, overbuilt cage. There's things about it I really want to remember. But until then, Josh is gonna take this thing. My boy Brandon in the house, dude.
What's going on?
He's coming through. He's gonna help me put this thing on Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark. Brandon, tell me about this.
It's 12 2x4s, actually 10 2x4s and 2 2x6s.
Ready, bro.
Work smarter, not harder. That's right.
Will she tip over?
If you go slower.
Will she fall over?
Alright.
Dude, this is butter.
Walking a dog now.
Bro. Oh! He didn't even know. He didn't even know.
Take that out.
Dude, we don't even need the winch. We don't even need the winch.
I'm gonna check in.
Okay. See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
I did what I did, yeah. Now can I live? I did what I did.
No, a cup of coffee.
He said 20 bucks. How long do you think Adrian's gonna take to wrap this entire one side of a car? What are you quoting, Adrian?
Today, at 5 o'clock.
Oh, 9:45 a.m. All right. Let's get the rundown from Adrian on actually getting to work on Josh Mcguire's livery. Today's a new day. We made a bet. But the details behind the bet are this. So we have obviously vinyl that we've printed. We designed it, then we printed it. Now we're gonna go to apply it. We got Adrian, obviously, who's the pro in the house. He's got some renderings that he's printed out.
Yep. So these are the renderings from our graphic designer, Austin. He basically prints me a base layer, which you can see here without any graphics. So I have a good idea on where the base needs to go. That's what goes first. And then we get to the graphic side right here. So it's kind of just an exploited view. That way I can change or adjust things as they need to be on the car specifically. So this is what I do first. This is what I do second. And I need to do this by 5 p.m. in order to get 20 bucks.
Yeah, so recapping on that, basically like this is a graphics kit for us at 144. So for example, some of our past liveries where we've laid full base layers, Josh does have red paint. Obviously, then we're gonna go throw some graphics and all his partners on. A little two-step program, half of a car in one day. Watch this thing go down.
I did what I did, yeah. Now can I live? I did what I did. How can I live on? She want my ribbon. Things that I do. Yeah. Really I be sipping, really I be smoking, and I'm popping pills, babe.
All right, here's the plan. Adrian's gonna owe me 20 bucks, right? And Josh, when you watch this, we love you. We're obviously taking our time. It's a little inside joke here. So the work quality is not being affected. We did have a daily goal to hit the entire side of the livery for you guys, but this may end up turning into, you know, like a little preview. Long story short, right now I have 2 new things coming in from our design team. Adrian will be wrapping in the future. This would be like a trailer and another car for another athlete. We're gonna have to blur this out, but I'm gonna go burn some of Adrian's time so I can try to win this 20 bucks. Adrian! Tito, you're gonna have to bleep this out. That later. Yeah, I just really wanted to burn some of Adrian's time so I can get this 20 bucks.
You're just mad because I'm going fast as fuck.
Where you at though? What's up with the let's check the timer. 3:43.
I got what I asked, an hour and a half to do all the. Gomez helped out by cutting everything up, so that took off like 30 minutes of my time. So what I do to start, I use this level and I level the car, and I basically just measure if it's leaning to, like right now it's raked. We're gonna keep it like that to where it's even. So I'm gonna copy this measurement even though it's not completely level. The car's not, so we need to make sure it matches the car's body lines. So I'm gonna measure, and every time I measure a sticker, I need the bubble to be on the edge of the level line. So I'm leveling all the stickers. Gomez is basically plotting them out, make sure there's room for everything. And this process goes pretty quick, so better go to the bank.
We're gonna find out in about an hour and a half.
All right, give me my $20, bro.
On camera,
I bet him $20.
$20. Now he has to buy me lunch and Adrian, right?
All right, guys, I think we're gonna end up cutting this edit here. It's been a solid day on Josh's livery. Adrian's been going full speed ahead, so he doesn't owe me $20, but it looks like he owes me $20. With that being said, in the next episode, we're gonna do Josh's livery reveal. So we'll show you the full chassis all done and kind of keep you guys tuned in on the progress as we move along here. Yeah, dude, another week at the shop. Thanks for watching this episode, and we appreciate it. See you guys later.